Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change profile color in Discord. To do that, you need to first open a Discord on your web browser. So, open a browser in your PC. You can use any browser for this process. Once you open that, click Open New tab. On the search bar, you type in discord.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official web page. And here you need to click on Open Discord over here at the right side. Click that. With this, you will be able to get logged in into the Discord in the web browser. As you can see, I am already logged in into my account. If you are not logged in, you need to first get logged in by providing the correct account credential. Now, once you have been logged in, what you have to do over here to change your profile color is tap on Setting over here. This will direct you to the account setting page, and here you click on Profile at the menu, left side, tap that menu, tap on Profile. In this page, you will be able to change the profile color. So here you can see the banner color currently is brown. Now if you tap that, you will have this option of change it to a different color. Now if you just move your mouse cursor, you can see the changes being made along with the banner color and the preview over here on the profile of yours. So here you choose your color. You can choose from the variety of color that is available in here, or if you have a particular color code that you want to use, you can type in over here. Just like I'm just gonna type in random. There you go. There's the code. If you want to use this, you just move back and you need to save these changes over here. Tap on save. With that, the profile color of yours has been changed. So this is how you can change profile color in Discord. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.